Cesar Daga, Dagarangi, pass to begin, Delgado, touch of glass, Danorin Zani's highway builder, executive order is running by Drell, then followed by Cool Reception, Tiger Epic, Janet Lynn, and on the outside is Happy Hour, Blue Chic, second last, and Bella Fat is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Delgado, the leader by Oralenganehepa. Executive order moving up by Drell to take second. Highway builder is in third. Racing in fourth, Tiger Epic, Cool Reception in fifth, Dagaran Kid in sixth. Touch of Glass, Blue Chic also moving up, then followed by Janet Lynn, Happy Hour, and Bella Pat. And it's still Delgado by about 5 lengths. Executive order still in second, and in third, Highway builder, Tiger Epic moving up, Cool Reception on the outside. Dagaran Kid in sixth, Blue Chic, then comes Touch of Glass, Bella Pat, Janet Lynn, and Happy Hour. And it's still Delgado by about 10 lengths. Executive order, Blue Chic now moving up on the outside to take second together with Bella Pat, Dagaran Kid. Delgado still in front by about 7 lengths. Blue Chic in second, and on the outside is Bella Pat. But it's still Delgado by about 7 lengths over Blue Chic, Bella Pat. And nearing the finish line, the curtain closer, Delgado. Second, Blue Chic, Bella Pat, Dagaran Kid, Executive Order, and Cool Reception for your Super 6.
Alright. 715-4310, datingan natin.